Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the exact tools and replacement joystick module. This saves stops and guessing later. You power the console controller off, remove the battery, then unscrew the 7 screws and carefully separate the halves. As you open it, note ribbon cable placements and screw order, take photos if needed, because reassembly depends on correct orientation. Ground yourself. Electrostatic discharge can ruin tiny parts. Once opened, make sure you have clear light and a shallow tray for screws before proceeding to the board. You now focus on the analog stick module. Heat each solder pad evenly and use solder wick to remove old solder so the module lifts cleanly. Once free, lift the old module straight up to avoid tearing pads, then clean the pad area with 90% isopropyl to remove flux and debris. Align the new replacement module's pins exactly into the holes, then solder each leg with steady, quick heat to form shiny, convex joints. After soldering, inspect every joint and wipe flux residue to ensure reliable contact. You close the controller by reseating ribbon cables and snapping the halves together, then reinstall the screws in the order you recorded. This preserves alignment. Install batteries and connect to your console to test. Check inputs in calibration or controller test menus. Pay attention to dead zone and full range movement. If you still see drift, make sure joints aren't touching, reflow any dull solder, or try a second replacement module. Sometimes a bad part or damaged trace causes continued drift.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.